Hello everyone. In this lecture, I solve a math using NPV method. So, what is NPV? Okay, that means net present value. So, here is the equation of NPV like NPV or net present value equal CFI divided by 1 plus K to the power I minus C naught. But here is CFI. This CFI means cash flow benefits. Okay, cash flow benefits. Next, K. K is the risk adjust discount rate. It given in math, or you should let assume that, okay, like 10%, 20%, like that. Risk adjust discount rate. Next is I. I is specified year. Okay. And next is C naught. That C naught is initial cash output. Okay. Initial cash output. It may be in 0 years. Okay. So let's solve this math using this method. So first, there is no the value of K. So I just assume that, or let solution, let K equal 10%. That means 0.1 the value of K. Okay. After that, NPV for this project A. Okay. I solve this first, then NPV for this project B, and another project C, D, it's solved by step, like that. So NPV A for project, that's the indicate A. Okay, equal. Here apply this CFI, that means cash flow benefits. For that cash flow benefits, when it's 1 year, then it's 10. That means 10 by 1 plus the value of K is 1 plus K to the power I. The value of K is 0.1, and the year is for that 1 year, for that 1. Okay, minus C naught. Okay, so after that I first these are summation minus C naught. C naught means here 100. For that 0 years, I indicate that 0 years, plus for second year its project B CFI is 60, and next 1 plus the value of K is 0.1. For that the year taken by 2, plus next is 80. 1 plus 0.1 year taken by 3 minus C naught. For that C naught is initial cash output. Initial cash output is 100 minus 100. Okay. After that the calculation, the value of NPVA will be like 18.79. Okay. That's the NPV for A project. Okay. Next I calculate the NPV for B project. For B project, here when the year is 1, the CFI, the value of CFI is 17. So 17, 1 plus 0.1, the year is 1, plus next is 50 when the year 2, so 50, 1 plus 0.1 to the power 2, plus, and next is 20 when the year is 3, the power is then 3, minus C naught, that means initial year, the CFI C naught, the value of C naught is 100, okay, minus 100. When you calculate this in calculator, then the value of NPV be equal $sign 19.99, okay. For that, the value of NPV calculate by this method. So thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.